Ian Wright has improved dramatically in his role as a pundit over the past 10 years. The Arsenal legend used to be too hyperactive. He was essentially a fan inside the studio. Nevertheless, people loved that he wore his heart on his sleeve, and he still does today.It. Just that the 54-year-old is now calmer and tends to provide more insightful analysis as a result. Wright is expected to be part of the BBC's punditry team for this summer's World Cup finals in Russia. However, with less than 3 months before football's most prestigious tournament gets underway, Wright finds himself in hot water with his employers after making some rather unfortunate comments on the radio earlier this week. The former England international was taking part in a discussion about the World Cup BBC Radio 5's Monday Night Club when he stunned his fellow presenters by remarking, "I won't wear a dress," while talking about the threats that may be faced by black and gay fans in Russia this summer. Shortly after making the comment, football fans listening to the show took to Twitter to blast Wright for his inappropriate comment, and now the BBC, per The Times, have spoken to Wright about his comment and reminded him of his responsibilities. A BBC statement said, "This was an ill-judged, off-the-cuff comment within a serious debate, and no offense was intended." The report adds that Wright, who has been a support of the campaign against homophobia in football, deeply regrets making the remark. Back in 2006, while backing the Football Association's stance against homophobia, Wright told Pink News, "When people go into an office, they don't have to be subjected to discrimination whether they are homosexual, fat, black, thin, tall, small. It's not going to happen to somebody in an office, so why should it happen on the pitch?" The BBC are not expected to take any further action against Wright. He becomes the second high-profile pundit to find himself in hot water this month following the Jamie Carragher spitting incident, which still could cost the Liverpool legend his lucrative job at Sky Sports.